For the first time ever, the American Heart Association has released stroke guidelines strictly for women. Officials say it's the first step in keeping women of all ages safe. It's something that happens to women more often than you may think.
It is actually the third reason for death in women right now.
Now, officials with the American Heart Association are hoping to decrease the number of strokes among women with new guidelines.
We're finding that it actually affects more women than men as well, much like heart disease. And so it's the first time we've got some specific guidelines coming out.
Dr. Tricia Lohr with IU Health Arnett says the guidelines cover topics like high blood pressure and smoking, which are risk factors for everyone. But she says there are also several topics geared specifically towards women.
That women have an increased incidence of stress and depression, emotional disturbances. Also with pregnancy, obviously men don't get pregnant, so it's a different reason for women to have a risk factor as well.
Health officials say many of those factors, including pregnancy, are also becoming more common at an earlier age, and that means so are strokes.
Age is one of the risk factors for stroke, but for women, obviously having the other risk factors that men don't have, the need is to educate younger and younger, because there are women in their 30s and 40s that do experience strokes as well.
And that's why Lohr says these guidelines are so important. She says stroke education is the best tool in helping save lives in the future.